Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing materials and laying a planning line. Clear a straight or curved path and mark endpoints. Next, craft regular rails and powered rails. Remember, powered rails need gold and redstone, so prioritize them for slopes and speed. Place a few test rails and power a single powered rail with a redstone torch to confirm wiring. Once you see a minecart move, expand. This early verification saves backtracking later and ensures your resource counts match the route length. You proceed to build the core. Place regular rails for continuous segments and insert powered rails strategically. On flat ground, space powered rails roughly every 38 blocks. On slopes, place them every block or every other block to maintain speed. Make sure redstone torches or repeaters are adjacent to powered rails to supply charge. Once done, test with a minecart to note where it slows. If a curve catches the cart, adjust rail orientation or add a powered rail. Small tweaks keep momentum and avoids. You wrap up by building stations and safety features. Include detector rails and hoppers for automated stops, buttons or levers for manual control, plus lighting and barriers to keep mobs off the track. Run several full route tests with loaded and empty minecarts to confirm speed and stopping points. Make incremental adjustments to powered rail placement or redstone repeaters if the cart loses momentum. If things go wrong, isolate the segment, check power sources, and replace suspect rails. This targeted approach fixes most faults quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.